So I was exploring Figma Make community to see what other designers were creating. And I came up with this fortune cookie concept prototype that basically you click in the cookie and you get this sentence about your fortune plus your lucky numbers. And this got me an idea to create, based on this concept, a kind of a game, but for designers. Using the magic 8 ball concept that you will click and you have this magic 8 ball shaking and you get the sentence. So, using the help of Claude, I refined the idea of what I wanted to get the best prompt for Make since I didn't upload any design. So, I will just trust on what Figma Make will do it. And I have this first paragraph to describe what I want. Then I have the description of the screen one, which is my landing page that you can click in the ball to get the shaking. The screen two is kind of an animation to have the ball shaking. And then the screen three, it's your design destiny, where you get the sentence plus the answer. Then I also gave some visual design effects for descriptions plus the animation. Then I just send to Make and expect what the model will reason and bring to me as a final result for iterate. Now I have the version 1, so it's loading. Let's see what to expect. Okay, by default it shows completely the full canvas, so I need to switch to mobile since I asked for a mobile version of it. And as you can see, so I have here a nicely background with some design tools on it. And I have this in the middle of my main stage. I have this black 8 ball, which is fine. Although I have this 8 number plus the white circle a bit small, I was expecting more in the middle. And I kind of don't like this blue square, but let's refine it after it. And you have the button here to consult the design gods. I like the copy. So I didn't design anything or decide anything for the copy. So he basically suggests that the title is Designer Decision Ball plus the consult the design gods as a button or CTA. So when I click, you see the ball shaking. That's pretty cool. And then you have this reply or the screen 3 with the design gods have spoken. Your stakeholder says make it pop, and my reply is no. So this is the reply of the lucky ball. Let's change some aspects in the UI. So using the point and click, you can click in the div and then ask for changes. So I want that the blue square is very prominent, and I want it to make it invisible because I want in this landing page, in this first screen, I want to have this 8 number plus the white circle more prominent, so more visible. And yeah, so that's what I'm asking. So let me ask it again. So I like it more, but I need more changes. So first screen, increase the white circle and center align it with a number. So let's see if we will get more improvements. And yeah, so until now, as you can see, if you bring your own designs, it's better to align these kind of design problems so that you don't need to waste so much time refining it via prompt. If you have more complex apps, I think this will take a lot of time. But to simple concepts like this one, I think it's okay. But tell me in the comments what you think about this. So yeah, screen 1, screen 2, screen 3. I'm asking to replace the circle, the white circle, to make it center align, and in the last screen, replace it and put it instead of a white circle, a blue circle with the response. And let's see what he will come up. So we have here now the black ball with the 8 number and the white circle in the middle, center aligned and bigger, so it's fine for me. The shaking, it's also working the same way. It's pretty fun, this animation. And yet, so now the last screen is also replacing the white circle with the blue circle plus the sentence. and it's pretty cool. So let's try this out again to see what other sentences you have. Your stakeholder says make it pop, without a doubt. Yeah, let's try a new one. Is Comic Sans appropriate for this corporate logo? Very doubtful, of course. Now, if I want to change these sentences to add more, how can I do it? So I have more sentences here in a Word document, and I'm not finding it. So I think using the point and click would send me, if I click in the code icon, send me to the right part of code, but it doesn't seem to. So let me ask via prompt, where can I see the sentences in the code to see if this will work? Okay, so he replied to me. So all the sentences are stories in two arrays at the top of the file app.tsx in the lines 13 and 21. So cool. Okay, here they are. And now if you have these sentences in a external document, you can simply copy and paste it here as it's like this, or you can add in the prompt input, and on my document I have the reply plus the sentence plus the reply from the ball. So let's see what he will do in the code. I will add this, and as you can see is creating here the situation and the answer, so it's pretty cool. So again, I will not evaluate the code because I don't know if this is the best code on it, but let's see what he can do. Let's try again. So, should you explain design theory to your client again? Better not tell you. So, let's see if these sentences were in the code. It's there. Yeah, should you explain design theory? So, that's there. The next step is to publish. So, let's see how to publish this into our community so that you can also have access to this prototype. I remember this project will be in the link in the description so that you can remix it and try on your own to make it changes. So publish, you write your title, you have the URL from the Figma site, and I will make it available on the community. So publishing, and it's not the thumbnail I want, but here in the preview it's okay. But then I will try to take a look and change, and that's it. Publish, so that you can here click on Remix and use it by yourself. And that's it. Tell me in the comments if you like this project. Tell me other ideas of what explorations you are doing, what you want me to cover. Thanks for watching and have a great day. If you want weekly insights on design and AI, I have a free newsletter called The Desk of a Dreamer. The link is in the comments.